Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today is all about the power of one, meaning one product for eyes, cheeks, and lips. This is a great method if you're camping, traveling, or even just want to simplify your look. You can use one product, and I'm going to show you how. I used the monochromatic Cream to Powder Compact from Lancome in S'il vous plaît to create a fun pink paradise look. Start by applying the product to the eyelid. Depending on how dark and intense you want it, put it on in layers. Next, wrap it under the eye with a small brush. This will frame the eye. Then, shade and blend the product into the socket or the crease. This gives shape and definition to the eye. To complete the eye look, apply your favorite mascara or lashes. Now it's time for blush. Using a medium-sized brush, sweep the product on the cheeks for instant flush. And lastly, dip a lip brush or even your finger and apply to the lips for a light pout. I add gloss for hydration and instant shine. If you want some finishing touches, you can add bronzer and highlight. Here's the final look. I also did the same steps with Lancome's monochromatic compact in French Affair. This method works with all kinds of colors. Don't be afraid to experiment. Here's my fun Caribbean coral look. As you can see, one product really can do it all. Eyes, cheeks, and lips simplified. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.